Welcome to the Instagram User Info Fetcher program. This tool provides a seamless way to gather detailed information about any Instagram user by entering their username. By entering a username, you will be able to see the latest profile data, including their profile picture, bio, and any links they've shared. View the user's high-definition profile picture. Get any links included in the user's bio, such as personal websites or other social media profiles. The program will also extract any links hidden within the response for you to explore. It's an intuitive and user-friendly interface. Simply type in the username, click Fetch User Info, and you'll instantly have access to all the information you need.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an exciting tool, the Instagram User Info Fetcher. With just a username, this program connects to an API and retrieves details about an Instagram profile. Let's explore how it works. When you open the app, you'll see a text field to enter an Instagram username. For example, let's type in GSK Krishna. After entering the username, click the Fetch User Info button. Behind the scenes, the program sends your request to an API using a secure POST request. It includes the username and authentication details. The API processes the request and returns a JSON response containing profile information. The raw JSON output is structured with data points like the profile picture URL, bio link, and other account details. To make things easier, the program extracts and displays key information. For instance, the profile picture is displayed directly in the app, so you can view it instantly. If the profile includes a bio link, it's fetched and shown as a clickable URL. The program also scans the entire JSON response for additional links and lists them neatly, so you don't have to navigate through raw data. If something goes wrong, the program has error handling. If the API can't fetch the details, it shows an error message, asking you to check the username or try again later. This tool makes fetching Instagram profile details effortless. Enter a username, view the profile picture and bio links, explore additional links, and handle errors seamlessly. That's all for today's walkthrough. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.